A spoken word by SZA. I loves you, babe. But picking up a penny with a press on is easier than holding you down. Can't be any harder than holding you up. To come clean, I said. To be real is to be real. No. Probably true what they say about me. Probably came from my inner circle or lack thereof. And I don't know who I can trust. Hi guys, it's your girl Grace and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I create my cut crease looks for hooded eyes. I have extremely hooded eyes and I finally got my technique down, so I want to share that with you guys. So first I'm going to prime my skin with my Too Faced Hangover RX primer. And then I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and take my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter translucent powder in the shade Nutmeg, and I'm going to just press that into my skin. If I could open the container, that would be nice. Okay, and now I'm going to prime my lids with concealer. I'm gonna use my eyeshadow primer, if I can find it. So I'm going to go into my Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2, and I'm gonna start off by taking the shade Living My Best, and I'm going to sweep this in my crease. All right, skipped a step, but that's fine. We're gonna rewind and pretend like the last 30 seconds didn't happen. So I'm gonna take a piece of tape and line it up with the outer corner of my eye. All right, we are back in B is Naive. So, okay, and since I do have hooded eyes, what I like to do for a darker color that I like to put, I'm gonna go in the shade Crazy from this palette, which is a nice burgundy, and I'm gonna put that above my natural crease, so close to the top, so you'll actually be able to see it when I cut my crease. I'm gonna put it right here. So I'm gonna go back into Living My Best and buff that above that crease color. You don't want to lose this red. And then I'm gonna take a brush with no product on it. I'm just gonna blend those colors together. Then I'm gonna take the shade Temptress, which is a black, and pop that right on the outer corner. Okay, so, you know, here comes the part where we have to all pray to Jesus, our sweet baby Jesus, that this cut crease goes right. So I am going to take my NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the shade CW 4.5. I'm gonna draw the thinnest line, like I'm lining my eye with eyeliner, and then I'm gonna look up Alright, so I'm gonna take it in further. And look up. Alright, so the crease outline has been created. So I'm gonna take a more detailed brush and I am going to put some of this concealer on the back of my hand and just fill this in. Okay, you want to be sure not to blink that much or you will crease the concealer. Now I'm gonna go to the shade Bougie. And press this into the concealer. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, now I'm gonna take the shade Grown Woman. I think that's what it means. It is a goldy champagne color. I'm gonna place that on the end over the concealer in the black beads. All right. So I'm going to, for my cut creases, I like to use liquid eyeliner. So we're gonna attempt to do a cat eye or a winged liner right in front of my face, of course. So I'm gonna take my NYX vinyl liquid liner in the shade Black. We're gonna do something. We're just gonna see how this goes. I'm gonna go do my face off camera. When I come back, I wanna finish up my eyes and then wrap up the look. Okay, so I'm back and we're almost done. So I put a little bit of excess setting powder under my eye. We're gonna go in. Actually, we're gonna go with the eyeliner first. Let's see. I'm gonna take the shade Psychedelic Sister on the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On eye pencil. And go into my lower lash line. And then we're gonna take a tight brush, really short, and we're gonna take the shade Dance Party, which is this really cute, fun pink, and take that. All right, and last but not least, we're gonna do an inner corner highlight. I'm going to take the shade Talia. It's this really nice gold foil. Okay, so I'm gonna dust off any excess powder from underneath my eyes. Okay, so here's the finished look. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope this helps all of my hooded eye sisters, because you know it's really hard out here for us, and we deserve to do cut creases too. But be sure to like and comment and subscribe. Also, turn on post notifications so you get a notification every time I upload something. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.